Calorique's radiant ceiling heat is the most comfortable and economical heating system available. Typically taking less than half a day to install, the radiant heating system makes best use of your installer's time and helps increase profits. These few simple components are the entire heating system. Everything can be delivered in a small car rather than the several trucks required by conventional hot water and forced hot air systems. You will also need a special crimping tool supplied by Calorique. This is used to apply electrical connectors and wires. This tool has been specially designed and will not reopen unless a proper connection has been made. In the next few minutes, you'll see just how easy this system is to install. Remember that even though the system is shown going into a single-family home, Calorique is suitable for installation in nearly any type of building, including high-rise apartment complexes and office spaces. Since Calorique ceiling heating is a primary heating system, it is important that you calculate each room's heat loss using a recognized method, such as the NEMA manual HE1. Based on the heat loss calculation, heating elements should be placed near areas of high heat loss, such as windows, and then the remainder should be spaced evenly around the room. Make sure that no ceiling wires are any closer than 2 inches from the Calorique system. Once you have decided on the element placement, it's time to begin installation. First, unroll the Calorique panels and cut them to the desired length. Make sure that you cut only on the dotted lines in the clear section between the heating element areas. Crimp an electrical connector in place with a Calorique-provided connector crimping tool. Then, place dielectric tape over the other end of each bus bar. If the area above the heaters will not be accessible after the elements are in place, install the insulation now. Typically, fiberglass batts are used, though the installation manual has complete information on the types of insulation that are compatible with the Calorique radiant heating system. Next, attach the panel sets so they run straight and flat between the wood or metal joists. Nailing strips or resilient channels may also be used. Attach the panel to the ceiling joists by staple, nail, screw, or rivet as appropriate. When installing to resilient channels in high-rise buildings, the elements may be secured in place using duct tape. Now, mount an electrical box for the thermostat on the building's inside wall in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Run wires from the box to the first panel set. Then, cut and strip lengths of wire to extend from the first panel set to the second. At the first panel, crimp one end of each of the same color wires from the thermostat and the second panel set into the barrel portion of the connector. Then, insulate each connection using a clear insulator. Repeat these steps at the other panel sets to complete the circuit. A simple testing system is all that's required to complete the work. Using an accurate ohm meter, take a resistance reading across the 2 wires at the thermostat and compare this reading with the table at the end of the installation manual. If the electrical readings are correct, the ceiling surface may now be installed. If insulation was not installed before the elements, do this now or the system will not operate properly. Now simply connect the elements and thermostat to a line coming from the electrical panel box and the installation is complete. Your customers will now enjoy all the benefits of radiant ceiling heating for years to come. To learn more about this exciting technology, contact Calorique today at 800-922-9276 or visit us online at www.calorique.com.